Hi everyone, this is 2010 Subaru Legacy, and I'm going to show you how to move the gear lever knob. So this is the gear lever knob, and we start from here. You see this shining at the bottom. You need to place it down. It's sometimes very hard, so you need to use your hands. If you use any screw, it can make scratch. So better you force your two hands to make it out. So you just push it down. Yes, I see. After you push it down, you will see lock there. A small lock. You can just push it front using your hand, or you can find a screwdriver or a hook like this to just remove the lock from. This is the lock. Yes, like this. Okay, then after, just pull it out like this. So after fixing, also same, fix it through, and you fix the lock there. This lock, fix the lock, and after you fix the shining pan,